everyone, this is Pallavi Oja and I am one of the plus educators for defense category. Today I have come with something very interesting yet important. Today we are going to discuss our toppers talk, I can say. So we have one of our learners. Her name is Rashmi. A very warm welcome, Rashmi. I'm glad that you didn't feel shy and come up very courageously. So Rashmi has cleared AFCET exam, right, Rashmi?
Thank you for introducing me, ma'am. I've cleared AFCET thrice.
Okay. Which year?
Ma'am, I cleared AFCET in 2018 for the first time, and then 2019 second, and this time 2020 AFCET I cleared.
All right. So can you tell me like how many marks did you score in your recent exam, AFCET exam?
Scored 172 marks.
Awesome, very good. Okay, so I just wanted to ask you, like, what really motivated you to take this exam or to take this particular field as your profession?
Ma'am, as my father is in Air Force itself, so since childhood I was in this environment, and many a times I've been interacted with lady officers, and my father has taken me to squadron parties. So there was one of the interaction which I remember where I met one of the ex-lady officer. So I was introduced to her from my father only. She told me that it's a good opportunity and a good career opportunity for the girls, especially because it gives you a lot of adventure life, and at the same time it gives you lots of exposure to go out of your comfort zone and try to get learn more things in the path of our learning process.
All right, okay. We would like to know more about your preparation strategy, like what really, how did you start, and what was your mantra, basically, I can say.
Ma'am, basically I started from the final year of my graduation, but the first time when I gave the exam, I was not able to make it. And
Okay.
then I was doing self preparation only. But my marks, when I cleared the first time, my marks were not that good. I was able to make just plus 3 marks. Like the cutoff was 145. I was able to score 148. So I was not happy with my performance. And gradually, when I was going through, so I used to write the static GK portion and read a lot about English. Then I also started doing maths problem. But at the same time, I was also getting bored by doing the same, following the same strategy. So that was the only thing. But when I came across Unacademy in last year, in 2019, so that was a trial basis. I got 1 month trial subscription from Unacademy, and I was going through. I liked the lectures, and then I started my preparation with Unacademy.
Okay, so you have already mentioned an academy. I would like to know, like, how did it really benefit you? Were you really got benefited?
Yes, ma'am. So initially, like for the 1 month when I was going through the educators, there are a lot of educators available on the platform. So you can go and have a look, like in which subject you want to study from which educator. So I started my preparation, and that helped me in boosting my marks. First of all, initially, like 3 4 marks was more from the cutoffs, and the time when I prepared from Unacademy, I was able to get 12 marks more than the cutoffs. That was something which I really liked it, and after that I again started my CDS preparation with it. I was not able to give the exam CDS paper, but I think I'm confident enough to appear for the paper and make it. So when I came across Unacademy, there were 4 subjects, and I think my maths was not that good. So I followed one educator religiously and was working with like attending their classes and solving quiz online. Then I also had in English. I was also going through your videos. If I was not able to watch it live, then I would definitely watch in recorded sessions. So
So sorry for interrupting here. You must really agree here that this recorded session really helps learners, right? So if you cannot make it live, you can come and watch recorded.
Yes, ma'am. Because what happens that I was doing MA in English, so I was not able to uh, do both things together because I had my college and the classes were in morning. Sometimes it were in evening. So evening also sometime I will able to attend, but not every time. In evening I will definitely watch the sessions which I have missed in the morning. So for working people or those who are preparing or having colleges, they will definitely be benefited from this recorded thing.
All right. This was great, Rashmi. Like another important thing which I want to put up here and ask you, like any useful insight or any tip and trick that you would like to give to our learners, and how an academy can be beneficial to them as well. We would definitely like to hear this from you.
Ma'am, I've seen that there are many educators, those who don't only teach us, but they motivate us as well. Like there are times when students are not able to clear the paper. So, like you or other teachers, they are in contact with us during by Telegram or some WhatsApp group, and you constantly message that this is not the end and we can do it, and this is kind of motivating. You are providing a very good guidance because this is not possible that everyone has this ability to guide themselves. There are some people those who really require some type of guidance while they are going through this path, and I think Unacademy is one of the platform which can give that path to every student. And talking about this exam is not that difficult. Once you get the habit of it, that what you have to study, what is relevant to the topic, then you can definitely score better. So this time, like I scored 172, I was not able to score it earlier. And this is just you have to keep up updating yourself with the knowledge, and practice is the most important thing. Like you always tell us that solve this question paper, solve this ND paper, and for CDS also this previous year paper, and like synonym and antonyms. Actually, I've never studied like in a book and memorize it. There are times when I study from Hindu editorial, the main words which have come, or the previous year paper, because they ask many questions that are repeatedly been asking from last 5 years. So that is the path you have shown to us. So this is very beneficial to get in touch with you and get in learning with such a good educator from around this in this country.
Oh wow. So thank you so much, Rashmi. This was really lovely talking to you. I hope that many other learners get motivated that how you had cleared your exam, and definitely you are going to achieve, you are going to add more and more feathers in your cap. So thank you so much, Rashmi. Wish you all the very best for all your endeavors, and we would like to see you in that uniform and with those stripes so soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.